Good morning, students. I'm Amit Bindra from Springfields Public School. Today we are going to start Chapter 1 Real Numbers. As you all know, real numbers are categorized in two categories, that is rational numbers and irrational numbers. You have earlier studied in class 9th about rational and irrational numbers. Further, rational numbers are categorized in whole numbers, natural numbers, integers. You all know about these numbers. So today we are going with some basic terms. You know about prime numbers, the numbers which are divisible by itself and one only, that are prime numbers. You also must know about co-prime numbers, the numbers which are having only one as the common factor, like 12 and 13, 6 and 19, like 17 and 39. So many numbers are there which are having only one as the factor, that are known as co-prime numbers. Now after co-prime numbers, you also know about composite numbers. These terms to be used in this chapter, that's why I am telling to you. Composite numbers, the numbers which are having more than two factors, like 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. These all are having factors other than one also, and itself also. That's why these are composite numbers. The numbers which are not prime can be known as composite numbers. You know about HCF, highest common factor. You know about LCM, least common multiplier. Suppose I take any two numbers A and B. I take the HCF of A and B, multiply LCM of A and B. That must be equal to the product of A and B for any two natural numbers. This rules to be followed and to be known to you. Now, one more relation you must know, that is Euclid's division algorithm. Euclid division algorithm is in deleted syllabus, that is not in the syllabus, but you must know about the algorithm. What is this algorithm is? Now suppose I take two numbers A and B, where A is greater than B. Then there exist two unique numbers Q and R, such that A is equal to BQ plus R, and R is always greater than equal to 0 and less than B. So this is Euclid's division algorithm. I can explain you with the help of example. Suppose I take two numbers 142 and 128. Now I am going to divide this 128 with 42. 42 3s are 126. So this number is B, this number is Q, this is A, and this is R. So you can check here by Euclid's division lemma, that is A is equal to BQ plus R. A is 128, B is 42, Q is 3, and R is 2. So that will be 126 plus 2, 128. Here Euclid's division algorithm is verified. Now one more theorem that must be known to you for this chapter, that is fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Now what is this fundamental theorem? Now this fundamental theorem of arithmetic is that, suppose according to this, suppose I take any number 6. It can be represented as 2 into 3, that is unique prime factors. Similarly, I take any number 12. 2 into 2 into 3, that can also be represented in prime numbers, that is unique. Order can be any, but these numbers are unique. So according to fundamental theorem, if I'm going to write statement, the statement of this theorem is every natural number different from 1, that is not 1, different from 1, is expressible as a product of primes, and the expression is apart from the order of factors, that is unique, that must be unique. So here I have told you that 6 can be represented as 2 into 3, 12 can be represented as 2 into 2 into 3. So this is fundamental theorem of arithmetic, that is unique prime factorization theorem. Now these are the basic terms which will be used in this chapter. Now in next video we are going to do the exercise. Thank you.